Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have learned about many things using React 18 and I hope you enjoy that all stuff which we have done using React 18. So today we are doing a different thing using React 18 and I hope you'll be enjoying today's video as well. Like previously on we have learned about body tag and I hope you enjoy that. Basically what is body tag, how you can build table using body tag and I hope you enjoy that all stuff. So today we are also building an amazing project and I hope you'll be enjoying today's video as well. So today we are just working with React 18 and using a different tag, and I'll be basically telling you that moving forward what tag we are using and how we are building this project, and I hope you'll be enjoying this video as well. So if you enjoy, understand this, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well so you can just see all the coming up videos, and remember to see all the future videos as well because that will also giving you help moving forward, and I hope you'll be enjoying and just liking that video. So remember to check that out because that will also giving you help. But like I'm telling you, in today's video we are learning about like how we are just building this amazing project of React, and I hope you enjoy this project. So if you enjoy, hit a like and subscribe on this channel, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well so you can just see all the future coming up videos, and I hope you'll be enjoying that all videos as well. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video, and basically we'll be seeing that what tag we are using in React 18 and how we are just building project using this tag in React 18 from start to end. Like I'm telling you, we'll be using a different tag using React 18, and now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that what tag we are using in React 18 and how we are just building this project from start to end. So for building this amazing React 18 project, here I will be opening my VS Code, and after opening the VS Code, here you have to move to file and you have to open your folder which is created on desktop, and I have already created a folder on desktop. And then here I will be moving to downloads. You all know that like I was working with one folder only when we were working with React 18 video, which is called app1 folder. So I'll be opening this folder, and now we'll be starting to work with our project here. So you can see I've opened this folder here, and now we are just getting all this stuff. So we have to run it as well. So for running React 18 or React.js app, you have to write the command of npm start. So now I've written this command. So now we will be just getting our React app starting on our development server, which should be Microsoft Edge browser because it is my default browser which I use. Now here I will be moving in the file here, and I will be removing all the stuff. These are my two main files from which we have to remove these all things here. So I'll be removing these all body tag things because in the previous video I've telling you about body tag. So I will be not needing these all stuff. All the things has been removed. So now it is starting the development server. It has been started. Now I will be doing it side by side, and now in some you can say in some seconds we'll be getting that you can say compiled successfully, you can say webpack compiled successfully, and now we are getting local host is running on the network 3000. So now it is working good. So now you can just change the title here. So you can just move to this file, and then you can just change the title from here. So you can just move in the title, and in this title you can change title here, and then you can write your title which you are building. So like today we are just working with these tags here. So today we are working with comments. So I will be writing here comments. So I'll be basically writing here comments in React. So now I'll be saving it. You can see now we are getting the title of comments here. So now when you are getting this, I will be just moving in this file, and only I will be writing comments. I will be not writing React. So you can see now we are only getting comments. So basically in this video, I will be telling you how you can work with comments and what are the main things when you are working with comments. Basically, comments are the tags which you used, but that is not shown at the front end. Means if I write any comment by writing this slash, if I write this is a comment, you will be seeing that it will be this comment will be not shown by the user here. So I will be moving, and here I will be doing like this. Save. You can see now it is showing it here. This is a comment because I have not written correctly here. If I write like this, and then you can say this thing here like this, and then here I will be just moving, and then I will be just now writing here like this. So save. You can see now it is showing me this is a comment here like this. So basically comment is a thing which you can just write in these columns, so user cannot user can remember that in this comment it is the heading. Means when you start the header, or you can say when you are building any website, so you write first of all nav bar. Nav bar means that you will be creating these all stuff of nav bars. Then when you have created all the navbar menu, so you write that this tag, then you will be writing navbar ends, because now all the tags has been created on navbar. So navbar has been ended here. Now when you have to start header, so you will be giving a space of 2 lines. Then you will be writing here header started. Header means that main page, you can say that. So I'll be writing header start, or you can say header like this. And after writing, just I will be moving down, and you can just now write here header, and then you can just write here header close, or you can say header ends like this. Same thing like I have written at the top, like this header will be end. Then you can give another space, and after giving a space here, you have to just now write here, you can just give here space, and then you can just move in the center, and you can give any of the name here as well. Like I will be writing here body start, or you can say body like this. So here you can move down, and then you will be writing here body ends. So this comment is not any of the thing which you can use to build any project here. Basically comments are only used when you want to work with the projects here, and if you want to remember anything, so you can use these comments here. Like you, if you are having any error, so you have to check in your whole file like where we are having error. But if you are writing comments and want to check your error, so it will be easy, because you will, it will be because the browser will be giving you the error. It will be telling you where the error is coming. If error will be coming in navbar, so you will be moving in this navbar comment, and here you will be checking all the codes of navbar. Then you can, if it is having error, so you can just correct that. So this is the thing here which I want to show you, and these are the comments which are very useful if you are having any problem in your codes, or if you want to debug any problem in your code. So these comments are really helpful stuff. So I think that this comment plays a really important role when you are building any website or portfolio. And if you are building website of 6,000 or 7,000 codes, so I think that this comment will be giving you help too much, I think. And many users and many which they build website, they use these all comments. You can also use comments in different files like these. This is the app.js file in which I have telling you how to use comment. You can also use comment in app.css file. Like here, if I write this comment, this is a comment, it will be not showing me this comment here on my front end. You can see it is not showing me my comment on the front end, because comment does not show on front end, it only shows at the code. So user can remember that this is the thing which they have done, and from here they have started the navbar styling. So I will be writing like navbar styling. So a navbar styling will be started from here, and then like this you can write navbar styling ends. So user will be understanding that his navbar styling has been ended here. You can see. So like this navbar works. So these all things, these are the comments which I want to tell you. Basically comments are not used in any of the project, but they use in codes only, so user can remember that if they want to debug any problem, if we are having any problem, so they can just use this, you can say they can use this comment as their values, and when the user will be having any error, so by using these comments they can debug their errors which they are having. So I hope you understand this video of comments. This was short video, but this is helpful video for you if you just see it focusedly, and if you understand this video. So remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see all the coming up videos. And remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can take also benefit of these amazing things. I'm also uploading videos using many of the other languages, like I've built projects using Next.js 13, React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and many others. You can check that out. And previously on, we have also covered up JavaScript tutorial from start to end. If you want to learn JavaScript from start to end and become a full stack developer, you can check the tutorial out, because that will also giving you help moving forward. So just now we'll be meeting in next project of React 18 or any other video. So for today, goodbye.